If you want to enable blood oxygen or SPO2 on your Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just wear your band on your wrist and make sure that the band is not too tight or not too loose, just like that. After that, now on the home screen of your Galaxy Fit 3, just swipe from the right side and open the widgets section. And in the widgets section, just look for the option of SPO2 or blood oxygen. As you can see, the widget is not available in the widgets section. So just keep swiping and tap on the plus icon over here. Now just swipe up and select blood oxygen. And once you do that, you will add the blood oxygen widget to the widget section. Now just tap on measure to start measuring your blood oxygen level. Tap on measure. Now just make sure you follow these instructions. Try to move your band tighter on your wrist and also place your elbow on the table and keep your wrist near to your heart. After that, tap on OK, and once you do that, you'll start measuring your blood oxygen level. And as you can see, this is how you can enable and measure your blood oxygen level or your SPO2 on the Galaxy Fit 3. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.